everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Saturday to everybody. So today I wanted to share this downloadable file from my Crafty Boutique. It's actually not new. It is an older downloadable kit. I believe it might have been 2020 was when she released it, when Luisa released it. It's called Spring Bunny. This is new to me though, and in case some of you guys have not seen it, I thought I'd go ahead and share it. She had given this to me a couple of days ago, and I wanted to share it in case you wanted to go ahead and purchase it from her site. It is very inexpensive, so let me go ahead and just walk you through it. So you have 10 JPEG files, 3 silhouette cut files. I'll go over the papers first, and then I'll show you guys some of the die cuts, or the what should I say, the ephemeras. Here's one of the papers. Now I did print mine on an 80-pound accent opaque cardstock that I purchased from Amazon. This is my Epson Eco Tank printer, and this is how it comes out. And so here we have a spring truck full of flowers, a bunny, and some eggs. It is so stinking adorable. Look how cute that is. And then you have this striped background, which is this kind of a lime green, I guess a mint green, you could say. Really, really cute. This one has to be one of my favorites. I love this blue background, and look at the chicks, you guys. The hatching chicks are just, oh my gosh, so adorable. And look at those flowers, so dainty and cute. I just absolutely love the pattern of this one. Then you also get the Easter basket, which is upside down. Let me go ahead and straighten that out for you, and look at those eggs. How adorable are they? And there's that chick again. And you get the chocolate eggs as well. Oops, chocolate bunny, not eggs. Chocolate bunny. Isn't that adorable? And it's in this beautiful rosy pink, pinky peach color as your background. This one has a yellow with white polka dot background. And look at the bike. Isn't that so adorable? Super duper cute. And it looks like the basket has a bunny butt with some flowers on it. And there are those fun dainty cluster of flowers again. Super duper duper cute. And then this one is a nice one. It has this nice purple, well, it's not purple, it's not lavender. What is this color? It's like very light pinkish purple color. And you have the chocolate peeps, not chocolate peeps, the marshmallow peeps. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry guys, I cannot talk. So stinking cute once again with the little bunny butts. So cute. And then you have the fun stripes. Who doesn't love stripes for Easter, right? When I think of Easter, I think of stripes in pastel colors and polka dots. That's just my favorite. And then we have these, which are the 3x4s. I did actually size mine 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. That's just how it came out when I printed it, but it's close enough. It's about a 3x4 journaling card. And look how adorable. Look at that bunny that's peeping out behind the egg. And I love this. So cute. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. I haven't cut it yet, but I wanted to show you guys. It was a little bit easier to show you without cutting it up. And then I do have the ephemeras right here. So let me just go over each one of them. So first of all, you get these sentiments. And look how cute they are. This one says, smell the flowers. Easter greetings, and I sized mine kind of small, and I totally forgot to set it so that I could have the borders around them, so I didn't cut mine with a border. So have bunny trail, spring delight, happy Easter, bunny hop, spring has sprung, smell the flowers again. This is a smaller version of this one right here. Happy Easter. Here's Spring Delight again. Easter greetings. So cute. And spring has sprung. So yeah, I have to cut this up right here because I have really thick black borders on there because I had set it to, I think on my Cricut, I put it on bleed. So that way, you know, the Cricut knows exactly where to cut it. Sometimes I put the bleed on, but anyway, I would just kind of snip this like so. But if you like the ones with the borders, I think those would look really, really nice too. Okay, so those are the sentiments. Oop, I missed one. Here's another bunny hop. And then you have these, which are so cute. Look at this, you guys. A little like a pot with a bunny butt. And here is that fun truck again, the fun bike. And then I love that she does this. She always has like a little drink. It's so cute. Look at that bunny. I think I have a cup like that my bestie gave me. Look at this one. And then we have an Easter basket full of goodies again. This one is plain, so you can definitely, you know, fill that up if you wanted to put a little chick in there, you can. And again, you got the chicks. And then the bunny, look how cute. That would be really cute too to put in your Easter basket like so. And then the chocolate bunny. And then you have bunny trail. So there's the other ephemera, and then this is the last one. So you get like 3 pages of things to cut. And of course, if you have your Cricut or your Silhouette, it is so much easier. So she gave you a variety of these bunnies with the bunny tail showing, and then this one is front, you know, the front of the peep, and just all the colors of the rainbow here, pastels. Oh, look at how cute they are. So, so darling. Look at that. And then you get plenty of these. So adorable. And then like I said, I didn't put the borders, but look at my Cricut cut it. Look how dainty these flowers are, and look at that, the leaves. They are super thin, so you know this one did come off. But again, it's because I didn't put the border, the white border. Here's the yellow one. This one came out pretty good. And then you have pink. I think I need to print out some more of these fun flowers. And then you have the purplish color. And then you have a few eggs. And that's it. That's the whole kit, you guys. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description box, and go ahead and visit my Crafty Boutique. So I'll be back again with a little project using this fun Easter collection called Spring Bunny. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.